Okay, so this is just a weird glitch I found out. I'm not sure if it matters who you are, but I found it out with Randy Orton. And let's do it on Hell in a Cell, I think. It's how to get out of the cell without opening the door. And it depends. Sometimes you just go out of the ring, but sometimes, one time I went into the crowd. It's something weird that happens. I did this on the Xbox 360. Okay, so what you do is you get your opponent to the bottom of the cell, and then you throw him, stupid. You Irish whip him into this, and then you press down, and grab, and then suddenly, you're out. Okay, so if that's useful to you, or I don't know, but it's just something really weird. Okay, see you later. In 1 second, actually. So, cell door not opened, and he's still in the ring. I'm gonna do it, and it's out there. See you later. Okay, here's another place you can end up. So look, I'm in the crowd. Now watch this, I can just walk out. Okay, bye.